Good day everyone, this is Group 11 and this is our midterm exam. So, based sa among introduction and market background is sa among studies nag-focus sa food delivery services sa kabinuangan yung Bataan. So, karong panahon na is importante kaayong convenience sa pagkuha og pagkaon, pagpa-delivery, pero kasagaran din in horticulture ang available na services. So, need analysis document. Industry market selected. Food service. Local authors with focus on delivery services and kabinuangan yung Bataan. So, and our market gaps identification ay sa among nakita daghan gyud kaayo problem sa sistema. Una, lisod ang pagkuha og pagkaon kay kinahanglan pa mo gawas. Then ikaduha is walay sayon nga paagi sa pag-order, dili pwede mag-cellphone lang. Katulo is walay delivery ang mga kananan. Kaupat is kung tigpaniud o panihapon na dugay kayo maghulat pa ka. And then ikalima is kung na may delivery services, mahal pud kaayo. And then, for our supporting data and evidence, para mas ligo na mong study, nagtanaw mi og data. Based sa Philippines Statistic Authority is nag-ingon nga, nagkadako ang food business. Pasabot daghan tao ang nag-order og pagkaon. So, ang statistic kung nagpakita nga daghan na karon ganahan magpa-deliver kay mas sayon. Pero bisan naog gihapoy lugar nga dili maabot ang delivery. And for our opportunity analysis and ranking is nagbuhat mi yung solution sa problema. So, una is phone-based ordering kay dali ug tanan na ay cellphone. And second is Facebook ordering kay uso kaayo sa mga tao karon sa Indra. And then third is motor delivery kay paspas og common ra pud kaayo delivery. Shared delivery. And then fourth is shared delivery para makatipid ang negosyo. And then ikalima is SMS para sa mga wala internet. Gipili ni namo base kung unsa kasayon, barato ug angay sa lugar.
Brainstorming record and idea development. Brainstorming techniques used, etc. Mind mapping, scamper, reverse brainstorming, round robin. How each technique was applied. Mind mapping link would access barriers to potential solution. Round robin ensured its member contribute at least 2 ideas. All ideas list to brainstorm at least 10 ideas. Phone-based 1. Phone-based food ordering system. 2. Facebook Messenger ordering. 3. Motorcycle delivery riders. 4. Shared delivery server. 5. SMS ordering system. 6. Schedule delivery service. Drop orders discount. Mobile app basic version. WhatsApp ordering group. Bicycle delivery for short distance. Top 3. Develop ideas. Idea and title. Phone-based food ordering system. Description. What is the idea? How do it work? Customer call participating local eateries to place orders and request delivery eateries maintain a log and order and coordinate with riders. Target market. Who will benefit? Who are customers? All residents, especially those with busy work, school schedules, and limit transportation. How does it address and market gap provides convenient access and simple ordering for school schedule or limited transportation. How does it address the market gap? Provides convenient access and simple ordering without needing internet. Visibility note. Technically and financially realistic, requires only phones, order logs, and rider coordination. Idea 2. Idea name title. Facebook Messenger. Ordering. Description. What is the idea? How does it work? It set up dedicated messenger account. Customers send orders via chat and confirm details delivery via platform. Target market. Who will benefit? Who are the customers? Teach savvy resident and younger groups who regularly use Facebook. How does it address the market gap? Offers easy communication and ordering, leveraging existing community habits. Visibility note. High visibility, most resident and businesses already use Facebook with no extra cost for setup. Idea 3. Description. Ang mga rider sa motor makipart-partner sa mga kainan para mag-deliver sa orders. Bayaran sila kada deliver o regular nga sweldo. Target market, tanang residente nga nanginahanglan og deliver, labi na sa lugar sa lisod maabot sa laing transportation. Market gap, nakasulod sa kulang sa delivery system ug mas mapadali ang paghatod sa pagkaon. Visibility medium lang ang kinahanglan og koordinasyon sa riders ug kainan ug dapat na food basic safety measures. C1. Define your 5 evaluation criteria. 1. Visibility. 2. Impact. 3. Cost. 4. Accessibility. 5. Scalability. What's those discretion measures? Ease of implementation with available resources. Improvement in food accessibility for residents. Financial resources needed for setup and maintenance. How many residents can use the solution? Potential to expand to more areas or eateries. C2. Evaluation matrix rating and justification. Question 1. Visibility 5 to 5. Minimal, teach, easy to launch quickly. 5 to 5 no setup, cost, widely used platform. 3 to 5 requires coordination and rider management. Creation 2 impact. 4 to 5 improves access for most residents. 4 to 5 appeals to large use base. 5 to 5 directly solves delivery structures gap. Question 3. Cost. 5 to 5 very low cost only. Communication and ride space. 5 to 5 no cost for platform minimal rider space. 3 to 5 requires payment to riders and coordination cost. Question 4. Accessibility. 5 to 5 all residents with phones can use it. 4 to 5 excludes 2 without internet Facebook. 4 to 5 accessible to all areas reachable by motorcycle.
So, comparative analysis. Idea 1 and 2 both scored the highest 22 and 25. Idea 1 is better in accessibility and cost, while Idea 2 is stronger in feasibility and scalability. Idea 1 is simple but limited in growth. Idea 2 can expand but may not reach everyone, and Idea 3 has high impact but need more coordinations. Final recommendation. The group selected the phone-based food ordering system with optional Facebook Messenger integrations because it is easy to use, practical, and can expand in the future. It combines accessibility and scalability, making it the best overall choice despite possible challenges like order errors and limited rider.
So the conclusion is this study shows that there is a clear need for a convenient and accessible food delivery system in Kabinwangan, New Bataan. By identifying market gaps and evaluating possible solutions, the group found that a phone-based ordering system with messenger support is the most practical and effective option. Overall, this project highlights how simple low-cost innovation can improve daily life and create businesses opportunities in local communities.